buy it, use it. The wish by the customer was that they are doing the whole assets with a minimum of own work to automate processes, to harmonize processes for all brands. I saw you have an editor, which is nice. You can do a couple of the different media types. It was not that hard to make the decision to give it a go. There was no plan to be honest. I found imagery, which could solve every problem we had. Video, social media, templates, and so on and so on. We just figured out how to solve it really for ourselves, how to implement it for every workflow. We shipped a lot better product than initially planned. Building something like this by ourselves, it took, of course, something like years, or 10 times budget. Our developers used it from time to time, and we always get a response, or even if it helps us to think about things again, because you gave us a hint, that's also helpful. So nothing bad to say about this, about the whole experience during this time. I showed it already internally. I already get a feedback that they want to use it for other clients as well. It's a no-brainer.